Enhance both the academic and social development of young learners with the Smart Table 442i Collaborative Learning Center. The Smart Table transforms teaching and learning by engaging learners in peer discussions, problem solving, and small group collaboration activities while igniting their curiosity and imagination. An intuitive multi-user interface and almost limitless array of activities are designed to bring young learners together so that they can enjoy developing and learning from each other. Ideal for early education and special education environments, the Smart Table is a social, inclusive, and captivating tool that will inspire learners to grow together both socially and academically. Add multimedia, video, and audio to create a stimulating learning experience and capture learning journeys too. Learning will never be the same again. The multi-touch surface supports up to 40 simultaneous touches, so it is easy to set up small group activities or promote inclusion with personalized activities. The Smart Table's durable design and stable pedestal mean that it can delight even the most enthusiastic learners, and its scratch and spill resistant surface make it perfect for active learning environments. Learners in wheelchairs or with special needs can easily participate in active discussions, problem solving, and small group collaboration activities. Teachers can create lessons that support learning goals and meet specific classroom needs by using the Smart Table Toolkit. It's easy to search and download over 1,900 ready-made activities from the Smart Exchange website or directly from the Smart Table. You can also import lessons and multimedia content, including in 3D, created in Smart Notebook software. Encourage discussion within the whole class by sharing the activities from the Smart Table directly to the Smart Board using Smart Sync software. With the Smart Table, students have so much fun, they might even forget they are learning.